Hello, Mr. Fry's geometry class. I am posting some accommodations and interventions, some clarification on this test, quiz, Unit 12 probability. Let's get started and with number one. Suppose a universal set consists of natural numbers that are at most 16. Two subsets are created from the universal set. Set A contains the multiples of 3, and set B contains the odd numbers. Correctly place each element of the universal set in the Venn diagram to the right. Okay, so you have numbers 1 through 16, right? A are going to be the multiples of 3. B are going to be all the odd numbers, and I have them listed there, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. So what you're going to put in the middle, let's start in the middle. Those are the things that they share, A and B share, right? Okay, that goes in the middle. And make sure you're pausing this because I'm going to just keep going. A is going to be what's left in A after you've listed what they share. B, just B, over on this side, is going to be just what's left, not what's in the center, not what it shares with A, but just B, what is just in B. And then U is going to be everything else, all the numbers, all the counting numbers 1 through 16 that you haven't used in A or B. Okay, A or B or the middle or what they share, So all the other numbers are going to go here. So number 2, using the sets above, list the elements in each. Just A. So, well, A, and you actually have that listed up here. Kind of giving you one there. And that's included all in B. Okay, so the numbers you have included in B, and once again, that's up there. You have the intersection of A and B. So intersection of A and B is what you have here in the middle. The union of A and B is going to be what all the numbers that you have in A and B both. Do not list numbers twice. You're just going to go through from least to greatest. You're going to have that. Okay. Number 3. You're going to use the fundamental accounting principle to determine the total number of outcomes. So you're going to pick a card from a standard deck and then rolling a standard die. So how many cards are there in a standard deck? Multiply that by how many sides there are to a die. That will be your answer for number 3. Number 4, choosing a random answer to the last 5 questions on a multiple choice test if each question has 4 answers. Okay, so you have 5 and 4. You're going to do something with those 2 numbers, and that's going to be your answer to number 4. Number 5, a mall has 4 escalators, 1 elevator, and 3 stairwells to travel from the second floor to the first floor. They have 6 doors on the first floor to exit the mall. If Jane is on the second floor, how many ways can she exit the mall? Okay, so how many ways is she going to exit? How many possibilities? Well, you got to add up all of these modes of transportation, the 4 escalators, the 1 elevator, and the 3 stairwells. Add all those up. Take that number, okay, and you're going to multiply it by the 6 doors. There's 6 different doors that she could leave too. Okay, and so that's going to be all the possible ways that she could leave. Okay. The spinner below is spun once. Find each probability as a fraction in simplest form. So we just want the shaded. So count all the shaded ones over, so you're going to have a fraction, the shaded over the total number of sections is what you want for number 6. Reduce that fraction. Number 7, unshaded or even. Okay, so this is going to be a union. Unshaded, so count up all the unshaded, and then count up all the even. Okay, put them together and put that over how many spaces there are, and you're going to want to reduce that fraction. Number 8, prime and less than 10. So figure out what are the prime numbers that are on here. And they also have to be less than 10 though, the less than 10 prime numbers. So they have to cover both. That's an intersection. Okay, that's number 8. Number 9, a group of students were asked if they have at least one sibling and at least one pet. Of the students surveyed, 27 said that they have a sibling and 24 said that they have a pet. Of the students who said that they had a sibling, 12 do not have pets. Okay, so this information right here, and we're going to make the Venn diagram to the right to represent the results of the survey. So of the students that had the sibling, so they have a sibling, 12 do not have pets. So your 12 are going to be siblings without pets. Okay, so that's important information to know. All right, siblings without pets. So you're going to take 27 of the ones that said that they had siblings, minus that 12 that you already used, there's going to be 15. That means there's 15 that have siblings and pets. So where are you going to put that? They share both siblings and pets, okay? And then to find out the ones that just have pets, that would be the 24 minus the 15, because you figured out there's 15 that have siblings and pets. So 24 minus the 15, because it said 24, said that they had pets. Well, 15 of them, sibling and pets, that's shared. So 24 minus 15 is going to be pets alone. Where are you going to put that? Then, based on the information where you put the numbers here, if one of these students is chosen at random, find each probability as a fraction in simplest form. So, got to add up all the numbers that you have in these circles and the overlapping circle. Add them all up. That's going to be your bottom number on this fraction, okay? That's going to go right here, okay? And then the top of the fraction has a sibling and a pet. Has a sibling and a pet. That's this number in here. Okay, that number goes here. And then the total is down here. The total is going to be in the bottom of the fraction of all of these. Simplify it if you can. Number 11 does not have a pet. So it's just going to be the sibling, but no pet at all. So it's just this number here over the total. And 12 has a pet but no sibling. So has a pet, no sibling. So just pet over the total number. Simplify it if you can. Okay, don't have to do any more. Hopefully this helped.